Workers, this is Mrs. Komiak, and here I am to tell you about Newsela and give you some tips so how you can use Newsela to read for comprehension so you can write for comprehension. So we have this article here, and the first feature that Newsela has is that you can change the reading level. You can go up or down, whatever you would like. You will be assigned a reading level automatically when you log in, but feel free to change it. Another cool thing about Newsela that you can do is if you want to read in a different language, you can read in Spanish. Some of the articles are published in Spanish, so just by clicking the button, you can read it in Spanish. Another cool thing is that you can have it read to you. And what I really like is that you can highlight things and you can annotate things. So you're like, if you want to look at these subheadings and remember them, you can highlight them and annotate them. Okay? It also has quizzes that you can do. So you can look at the power words or write about things or take a quiz to test your understanding. So these will all, if you can read for understanding, this will help you write for understanding. So when I'm reading for understanding, I like to think about three different things. I like to think about the 3 P's: preview, predict, and prior knowledge. So when I'm previewing an article, I get assigned an article by my teacher. I'm just going to look at it, kind of skim through it. This says something about hippo poop. It's a good thing. Really? Okay. And there's a picture. I'm going to look at there's a pictures, so I'm going to preview the pictures. I'm going to look at the title. I'm going to read the captions, which go underneath. So it says here, a hippopotamus swimming in the Mara River in Kenya. Okay. I'm also going to look for these things that are bold, things in bold. These are called subheadings. It kind of divides the article up into sections. So this section is probably going to be about hippo days. And this section is going to be about how with fewer hippos, other species will suffer. So just by previewing it, and this one's about hippo poop suffocates fish. So just by previewing the article, I can learn a lot about the article. I know that this is an article about hippos. It's in East Africa. I'm going to learn about the hippo day, how the consequences if there are fewer hippos, and something about the poop. So right away, before I've even read it, I've learned something. Okay. Now the last P, we've done preview and predict. The last P is prior knowledge. I really don't have a lot of prior knowledge of hippos. I know they used to have hippos at the Woodland Park Zoo, and they've recently got rid of them. And I think one of the reasons they got rid of them was that they ate a lot. So they eat a lot of things. And I think the other reason was because changing the water all the time, because they poop a lot. They eat a lot, so they poop a lot. So it was hard to have clean water. It was used a lot of resources to do that. So they were taken to or sent to a different zoo. So I'm going to activate some prior knowledge. Okay, just all that. You can, using these features, you can begin your reading so you can write a good summary. All right, good luck. Take care.